how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. From your profile, you need to scroll down and then go with chats. Now, under chats, you need to go with chat backup and make sure that you've backed up. Go with backup now. And after backing up, the first method is you need to go with your other device, which is your Android device, and log into your WhatsApp account with the same phone number that you have on your iPhone. And you will have all of the chats, or you won't need to transfer anything. You will have all of the chats if you've backed up on your iPhone. But if you have not backed up, then what you can do is scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of transfer chat history. You need to tap on it and then go with transfer to Android, which will be on the bottom. And it will transfer all of your chat history privately and you will have your most up-to-date messages. So these were the two ways on how you can transfer your data from your iPhone WhatsApp to Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.